Viewers, all that politics which is going on in Delhi outside Parliament is way lesser than what is going on right here, right now. What is going on right here at the Punjab Bhavan. Let me quickly get our viewers up to speed on what really went down. Navjot Singh Sidhu, viewers, after going inside 15 minutes before the captain left, 7 minutes after the captain came, only for him to come back. After him, many loyalists left of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Bajwa left, but why did Navjot Singh Sidhu come back? I want to get in a quick word from Satyendra. He's just spoken to his, the MLAs inside. What do sources say? Did he meet captain or did he not meet captain, Satyendra?
देखिए 10:08 पर नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू आए थे और 10:30 पर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह आए हैं। जैसे ही कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह का काफिला अंदर घुसा है, उसके तुरंत मेरे ख्याल से 5 से 6 मिनट में नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अकेले अपनी गाड़ी में यहाँ से निकल गए। निकलने के 10 मिनट बाद नवजोत सिंह वापस आते हैं, सिद्धू वापस आते हैं। अंदर के सोर्सेज ये बता रहे हैं कि पहली बार में नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह से बिना मिले ही वापस चले गए थे। अब हो सकता है कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारे शुभचिंतक जो कांग्रेस पार्टी के हैं, दिल्ली से टच में हैं, किसी ने फ़ोन किया हो कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू फिर वही कर गए हैं जिसकी उम्मीद थी, कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह से नहीं मिले हैं, तो उनको फ़ोन आया हो। तो नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अब वापस आए हैं, वापस पंजाब भवन में है, क्योंकि एक बात ये ज़रूर चल रही थी कि इससे पहले कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने कहा था कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को पब्लिकली मेरे से माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। और नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के सूत्रों से ये कहा गया था कि जब चाय पार्टी होगी और कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह होंगे तो वहाँ पर एक जेस्चर दिखाते हुए नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के सामने झुक सकते हैं और उनसे पिछले जितने भी बयानबाजी है, विवाद है,
तो वो तो दूर की बात है।
हाँ, वो दूर की बात है। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं वही है। दूसरी तस्वीर आपने अभी यहाँ पर देखी, कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के समर्थक आ जाते हैं, फोटो हाथ में दिखाते हैं और कहते हैं कि हमारा लीडर तो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह है। तो प्रीति, जो हम लगातार कह रहे थे कि ये जो एक कोशिश यहाँ पर की गई है, इससे सिर्फ हाथ मिल सकते हैं, दिल नहीं मिल सकते। अगर दिल नहीं मिलेंगे तो फिर आने वाले दिनों में कहीं ना कहीं पंजाब की राजनीति में कांग्रेस के दल में कहीं ना कहीं वो दलदल जो पीछे मची हुई थी वो फिर से दिखाई देगी।
वो तो दिखाई दे गई है सत्येंद्र। अभी आई वांट टू क्विकली encapsulate and hand it back to the studio viewers. So what has gone down has been extremely interesting and rather juicy for any political development. This was supposed to be a stage for a massive show of strength, for the Congress at least publicly to give an image that we are together, a photo op of all of them coming in together, having tea, that Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu were finally on the same page. What happened, viewers, was to the contrary. It was expected Navjot Singh Sidhu would, initiate a goodwill gesture, will bow down as an elder and say, okay, I'm sorry, whatever went down, even though it was in private, not public, an apology that was sought by captain. Leave alone that Navjot Singh Sidhu did not even meet the captain. As his cavalcade pulled in, within minutes, Navjot Singh Sidhu got up and left, only for him to then be cajoled to come back. These visuals pretty much set the narrative of what we can expect in the Congress party running up to elections in Punjab over the next 6 months' time. All right, viewers, now, Pooja, I'll just quickly tell you.
Yes.
The MLAs have started to file out. Now they will make their way to the Congress Bhavan, where the official coronation or the anointment of Navjot Singh Sidhu will take place. I can actually see Navjot Singh Sidhu outside meeting his MLAs. Those are visuals coming in. Over to you, Pooja. We'll keep coming back to you. So right now, the latest is that the MLAs have begun to leave for the Congress Bhavan, where the official coronation or anointment of Navjot Singh Sidhu as president of the Congress in Punjab, along with 4 working presidents, will take place.
Preeti Chaudhary is on the ground reporting from Chandigarh and bringing us this special telecast, minute-by-minute updates, and on a day when it was expected that the hatchet will be buried. However, it appears there's been a handshake likely, but the hearts have not yet met, that ahead of elections. There's been a high drama. These are the latest visuals coming in on your screen. That happened at Captain Amrinder Singh's tea party. It was organized at the Punjab Bhavan in Chandigarh, but there was a bizarre turn of events suddenly. Navjot Singh Sidhu arrives at the captain's tea party at Punjab Bhavan, initially left the venue within minutes after the captain arrived. However, then it appears something has happened because Sidhu returns to the venue within minutes. The tea party organized by Captain Amrinder Singh, remember, was a signal to send out that the Congress party, despite a widening rift, is now united ahead of Sidhu's Taj Poshi, so to say, as he's set to take as the chief of the Congress Committee of Punjab. The overture came from Sidhu. He invited the captain for the event, to which the Chief Minister also gracefully responded with an invitation for a tea for all the party leaders. Meanwhile, Sidhu also is, remember, yet to formally take over as the post of Punjab Congress Committee Chief. His ambition fulfilled, his promise fulfilled by the Congress High Command. The ceremony also likely to take place in just a short while. But there's clearly been high drama. The fact that these are two senior netas of the parties on your screen, of the Congress party in an election-bound state of Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu, a popular, even though unpredictable leader. On the other, Captain Amrinder Singh, political veteran, has had the Chief Minister's position for several times now for the Congress party in Punjab, but is now also aging. Perhaps the Congress party is looking for a future leader. Do they two walk together? That perhaps is also significant. I want to in fact go back to my colleague Preeti Chaudhary, who is on the ground. Preeti, on our screens right now is Navjot Singh Sidhu, Captain Amrinder Singh. And if one were to look at this photograph in isolation, it would appear perhaps two friends or two colleagues are sitting together and having a conversation. But it is now clear that the rift is still wide open, Preeti.
All right, Pooja, before we go to that picture which was taken on the second time Sidhu came in, the captains just left. That is Amrinder Singh's cavalcade, the Chief Minister's cavalcade, making its way right now to the Congress Bhavan. But yes, that picture was taken when the second time round Navjot Singh Sidhu was cajoled. It's a theatre of the absurd, Pooja, with what is happening here. It is bizarre, to say the least, on what has transpired, and it's all been intentional, because we've been talking to MLAs, and off record they're telling us that it was all intentional. Sidhu did it to prove a point. He knew that the press outside will go overboard in reporting that he left without meeting the captain, and he did so. This shows how mercurial Navjot Singh Sidhu is. There was no need for him to leave the venue. He wanted to publicly position himself as slighting captain, is what many MLAs are telling us off record. Now, Navjot Singh Sidhu's car is coming in. This is the second time he's exiting. Like I said, it's been the theatre of the absurd. That is Navjot Singh Sidhu basking in all the attention that he's getting in. But Navjot Singh Sidhu leaving right after the captain. It's very interesting, to tell you the side story. Captain's cavalcade pulls out before any other MLA leaves. It is Navjot Singh Sidhu who has left, followed now by a string of cars of other party MLAs. Navjot Singh Sidhu, the first time he left, did try and attempt to come out and address the media. He did. What was he wanting to say? Which he then decided that, okay, I'm going to hold on to that thought. But this time around, he's clear. He's not talking to the press. He's on his way now to the Congress Bhavan. But, Pooja, that picture that was taken was that very brief interaction the second time round when Navjot Singh Sidhu was cajoled to come back in by certain old timers of the Congress party to say that, listen, look, it doesn't look good. You've got the mandate. We are with you. The Congress High Command is with you. You have the support of the MLAs. Why publicly once again slight the captain, come back, meet him, and then we'll go together? But the message was already delivered, Pooja, because the press already got him leaving. Sources within all the MLAs we've spoken to off record are telling us that Sidhu left without even saying hello to the captain who was hosting the tea. He left only for him to be cajoled back. It just shows how mercurial Navjot Singh Sidhu is. Also gives credence to many who still support captain and many political analysts who believe that Sidhu will self-destruct. There was, if politics is to go by,
yes,
then Sidhu leaving isn't quite astute, because he could have just been more gracious, played along. He had everything for the taking. He didn't need to prove that point to leave without meeting the Chief Minister, meeting the captain. It's another slight, mind you. How will, Captain Amrinder Singh take it? It's another slight coming in.
And Preeti, what you're telling us is also very interesting, isn't it? That Sidhu may have become the PCC chief, but he also has to have the support of people, of the contenders of the party, of candidates, of the cadre. Many of them would be rallying behind Captain for now, all these years, to be able to shift to himself. He perhaps thinks it's going to be easy, but do you, because you're there on the ground, with so much drama taking place, the cadre must be watching as well, Preeti, isn't it?
Yes, the cadre split wide open, because while we are standing here since the morning, we've already seen, okay, let me tell you, it's always interesting to tell, our viewers the side story, because it's such a juicy political story. So what happened, Pooja, is in the morning when the MLAs were coming in, loyalists of Captain Amrinder Singh refused to go inside after Navjot Singh Sidhu came. They were waiting outside at the main gate of the Punjab Bhavan. MLAs who still pledge allegiance to Captain Amrinder Singh refusing to go inside. They waited for the cavalcade of the captain to pull in and then walked inside. Number one. Number two, Pooja, while we've been, waiting, and the press is completely animated, most of seasoned Punjab journalists, when Sidhu decided to, storm away and, get out, all of them said that this was expected. But while we were waiting, we saw, cadre of the Congress in Punjab coming in with placards saying we support Amrinder. Then we saw a bunch saying we support Sidhu. Split is wide open. All the cosmetics of tea parties is not going to mend that script or fill that void.
Yes.
The void, it is there, it's divided, and the visuals which were supposed to today give out a message of unity have completely backfired. And
Absolutely.
There's one person
So,
to blame, Pooja.
Preeti,
here.
if I use
Any
the
political
metaphor
analyst will
of,
say,
let's
Sidhu-
say, chai pe charcha, they may have had the chai today, but there's definitely not been any charcha today at this, what was supposed to be perhaps a united Congress show there in Chandigarh.
Well, you're right there. You're completely right, because nothing of that sort happened. But once again, it is important, it is imperative. In politics, optics define pretty much a lot.
Precisely,
Now, what were the
yes.
optics of this? That Amrinder Singh decided to come to the compromising table without even getting that public apology he had sought. He decided, at least, publicly decided that he had a bigger heart, he'd come. Whether he holds it against Sidhu privately, whether he'll strike back is a different thing. But publicly, he postured and positioned himself as somebody who was bigger than his grouse. What did Sidhu do? Sidhu, who had the backing clearly of the High Command, who has the backing of the MLAs, who's going to be anointed in 10 minutes from now as the Congress chief in Punjab, what did he do? He marched off without even meeting Captain Amrinder Singh, and publicly so. He stopped his car, attempting to get out. He wanted to talk to the press, and then he decided, maybe not. And then he got back in, only to be cajoled to get back. These are optics, and they define the kind of leadership that Sidhu could possibly have in the state of Punjab, because he had no reason to make this public point. He chose to do so, and in doing so, he slighted Captain once again.
Because you're there on the ground, Preeti, now perhaps this is a question I've never asked till now, covering so many political events of this sort, but have all the cars left? Or are the cars returning again? Whose car is returning again to the venue? Because it just appears that since morning, that's precisely what has been happening.
But it's really interesting. So what happened was, first all the MLA cars, and they're all, in Punjab, it's every state politicians dress a certain way, I've noticed. In Punjab, it's, these Afghan Pathani suits, they wear white, crisp, and with black jutis. All of them will have a white Innova or a white Fortuner, and you can see it,
Yes.
One by one, all these cars came in. Navjot Singh Sidhu came in his car. Then the captain came in. Navjot Singh Sidhu left. Loyalists of like Bajwa left after him, only for all of them to come back. And now, of course, all the cars are leaving again. 80 of the Congress MLAs, 3 of them have joined from the AAP. And, you were talking to some of them who still pledge allegiance to Captain Amrinder Singh. And for them, it's like, listen, Captain won it on his face in 2017 assembly elections. 2019, Congress, won at least from the state of Punjab, 13 seats. So Captain has won you elections. The latest local body elections, Captain won you. You've taken a gamble on Sidhu. And on top of it, it seems this man isn't even magnanimous enough to embrace that gesture. Is the sense we've picked up from the lot, let's see who's there, of Captain supporters is what we've picked up. All right, Pooja, I'm going to hand it back to you.
Yes.
I'm going to hand this back to you because we are going to now make our way to the Punjab Bhavan, to the Congress Bhavan from the Punjab Bhavan, because this very uneasy tea party, which was far from the bonhomie that the Congress might have wanted to project, we are moving to the Congress Congress Bhavan there, where
Yes.
a lot of cadres already gathered. Once again, it's imperative to state, Pooja, what we've seen today. This is like for Sidhu, this is like a victory march. He's got a post. Now he has time to prove himself. It seems he's won an election. The kind of, the optics, the projection of his MLAs, his swagger, it's quite strange when you read it politically. But I'm going to move right now
Yes.
to Congress Bhavan. Over to you, Pooja.
Preeti, please go ahead. Preeti, remember, since morning has been tracking all the latest there from the ground in Chandigarh. A tea party like no other, because really there was no party in the first place. It was an attempt by the Congress party to show a united face, and they did appear. If you look at that photograph, it appears three netas: Navjot Singh Sidhu, now the PCC chief, Captain Amrinder Singh, the Punjab chief minister, Harish Rawat, the Punjab affairs in charge, managing to come together, strike a pose that they're interacting. But then it appeared, with how Preeti also has been telling us since morning, that there's absolutely been no discussion taking place of a party that should be now strategizing to stay in power in Punjab, the few Congress-ruled states left in this country. And therefore, it is important to understand that for now, Captain Amrinder Singh not really on talking terms with the party's chief, and the party's chief feels he is now the boss of the show. I want to go across to my colleague Akshita Nandagopal. She's going to now decode what precisely is this truce, so to say, if there is at all, between Captain Amrinder and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Over to you, Akshita.
It's clear that there's still a lot of tension, but at the end of the day, you're going to be seeing Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu sharing the stage. Why has that happened after months of tension? Well, we decode that for you now. The captain is perhaps under considerable amount of pressure from the Congress High Command to ensure that this truce deal that the High Command came up with actually works. The apology demand that Captain Amrinder Singh put forth, saying that Sidhu must publicly apologize, is not in line with the Gandhis' plan. At no point have the Gandhis told Sidhu that he must apologize. Skipping the coronation by the chief minister will send a very, very wrong message to the cadre. They'll be confused. They'll be split right down the middle before the elections. And that's the last thing the Congress, or for that matter, Captain Amrinder Singh needs. The latest bonhomie that we perhaps will see in the hours to come may be a face-saving exercise, considering all the public bickering and infighting that we've been seeing in the last few months. That's really dented the image of the Punjab Congress.